All right, let's make honey-glazed gammon with potatoes, carrots, and parsnips. Tender, sweet, and absolutely irresistible. First, I start by preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. That's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I grab a nice chunk of unsmoked gammon and pop it in a big pot. Cover it with cold water, throw in a bay leaf, a few peppercorns, and bring it all to a boil. Let it simmer gently for about an hour. This keeps the meat juicy and takes out some of that saltiness. While that's bubbling away, I peel and chop potatoes, carrots, and parsnips into chunky pieces. Toss them in olive oil, a pinch of salt, pepper, and, if you're feeling fancy, a little dried thyme. Spread those out on a roasting tray. Now, for the honey glaze. I mix together a couple tablespoons of honey, a teaspoon of mustard, and a splash of orange juice. Sweet, sharp, and just a little tangy. When the gammon's ready, I lift it out, slice off the skin, leaving a thin layer of fat. Score the fat in a crisscross pattern, then brush over that gorgeous glaze. Place the gammon on top of the veggies, glaze side up, and roast everything in the oven for about 45 minutes. I like to baste the gammon a couple times with more glaze. Trust me, it's worth it. Once it's golden and sticky, and the veggies are soft and caramelized, take it all out. Rest the meat for 10 minutes, then slice it up and serve alongside those perfectly tender potatoes, carrots, and parsnips. That's it. A classic comfort dish, packed with flavor and so simple to make. Give it a go and let me know how yours turns out.